Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a numbers matching 1968 Chevelle. She is beautiful. It's got the numbers matching 4-speed in it too. Look at this beautiful car. That paint as slick as can be. Body lines are looking sweet. Love the white stripe on the nose. You can see the emblems look good. The grille looks great. The chrome on the front bumper looks like it's brand new. I'll tell you what, the body work on the car is just absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous car right here. I tell you what, these Chevelles are hot. Now the body line on the front, on this hood right here, is just a little wider at the back than it is at the front. As you look down the side of the car, you can see the body work is straight as can be. Doors fitting good. You can see reflections in that red paint, just looking beautiful. And check out the red interior. So red on red. Listen to that, even the door buzzers work. And I gotta pull the key out so we don't have to listen to that. Isn't that neat? All the upholstery looks brand new. The dash itself is in beautiful shape. All the chrome, all the black, all the paint work. The center console's looking good. We got a bunch of seat belts in this thing. Looks like we got room for 3 in the back seat. Shoulder belts are still there. Dome lights working. She's beautiful inside. Love these red on red cars. You can see that all the weather strip here looks like it's been replaced. Everything's been painted here, brand new screws, new door bumpers. Like I said, you can see a reflection in that red paint, just gorgeous. And then the Cragars on the car, man, they look sweet. We got good looking chrome on the back bumper. The lenses on the tail lights in good shape. Of course, we got dual exhaust coming out the back. Look in the trunk. Just as nice and neat inside the trunk as it is in the cabin. Always pull up the mat, look at the floor. That floor is looking good. Look at the wheel well. We've got a spare in here, and it does look like it's got the jack in there also. Always look at the gutter system around the opening too. And then the lips on the deck lid. Make sure those are all pretty. Again, all painted up nice, top and bottom. When you look down the side of the car, straight as can be. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment. That means we own this car. We do our homework, we get them up on the lift, check them out. We take pictures of them, do the video of the bottom side, and then we can answer every one of your questions when you call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now he answers his phone 7 days a week and just about 24 hours a day. You can give him a call anytime you'd like. Please check out our website also at vanguardmotorsales.com. You're watching us on YouTube right now, and if you want to see about 40 videos just like this every month, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell, and you'll get a notification every time we post a new video. All right, 68 Chevelle time, numbers matching, 4-speed, sounding amazing. Love the exhaust system on this car. Driving great, sounding great, looking good, and it's a 1968, baby. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. All you have to do is call Tom at 248-974-9513. Don't forget, he answers his phone 7 days a week, And just about 24 hours a day, you can call him anytime you'd like. And if you need help with financing, he will hook you up with our bankers. We got several different banks we work with. We'll get you financed and we'll get this dream parked in your driveway. I know a lot of you had 68 Chevelles back in the day or wanted 68 Chevelles. This thing is sweet. Big block 4-speed. It's downshifting good, upshifting great. And look down here on the dash. I mean, that is just about what it looked like back in 1968. You want to talk about looking sweet? She's looking beautiful. It's got the original AM radio in it. It is not making any sounds. So if you're a radio guy, you might want to upgrade that radio to one of those fancy ones that you can hook your phone up with. Of course, I'm not a radio guy. I barely listen to the radio in my new car. I'd rather listen to the exhaust. Now, we are very close to the airport. If you need to fly in and check us out in person, we'd love to have you. You want to send an inspector? That's not a problem either. Treat the inspector just like we treat you. We have a lot of people flying in the morning, check out a car, fly out in the afternoon. Of course, with some paperwork. This thing is sweet, guys. Now, we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does to every one of their vehicles. At Vanguard, every one of the cars goes up on the lift so you can check out the bottom. And we're gonna do that right now. All right, we're underneath the 68 now, and man, it is pretty under here. Look at that tank, it's brand new. Look at the trunk floor, it is gorgeous. Everything under here is looking sweet. The exhaust is brand new. In the rear end, we've got right around the 331 gear. It is a 12 bolt, it is Posi. You can see new brake lines, new shocks. Looks like new drums too. Bushings are in good shape. Now on the brakes, the guys pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. Look at these floorboards, aren't they beautiful? Looks like the brake line going front to back is new also. Looks like the fuel line's new. Man, it's pretty under here. Look at these floorboards, all cleaned up and painted, looking good. It's got the Numbers Matching Muncie transmission, which is very cool. The numbers are over here on this side. You won't be able to see them with the camera, but I believe we do have pictures of that in the website, so you'll be able to see those in the website. You actually might be able to see it, it's right there. Isn't that cool? It's got the stock appearing bell housing also. Looks like the proportioning valve's new. The brake line going left to right's new. All the brakes are upgraded, or restored, I should say. Up front here, looking good. Looks like the ball joints have been changed also. Looks like new AC Delco shocks. Idler arm looks like it's new. Tie rod ends look new. The bolts are all definitely new. Everything about this thing is absolutely beautiful. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Core support, it's in good shape. Always look at a core support. Back side of the bumper's just as clean as the front side. And on the tires and wheels, we got Cragars. That's what everybody wanted back in the day. Got to have Cragars on your hot rod. 215, 60, 15s. Those rotors are drilled and slotted. That's cool. Now, I tell you guys all the time, I always feel around on the back side of the front fenders. That's a real trouble spot on the car. And this one looks great. The frame is beautifully painted. The bottom side of the rocker is also beautifully painted. And you want to look at this pinch weld. This is beautiful. Looking good. Out back here, we got some more rubber on the ground. We got two 3560 15s. And again, brand new Cragars. Look at that paintwork. Man, she looks beautiful. Well, let's lower it down and take a look at that Numbers Matching power plant up front. Under the hood, Numbers Matching 325 horse, 396. It's got the correct Numbers Matching carburetor on it, intake, whole 9 yards. Exhaust manifolds have been all cleaned up and painted with high heat paint, looking good. It's got good looking paint on the motor itself. It's got a stock appearing distributor in it also. And if I can find the wires, It's got one wire coming out. That means it's got points in there, just like from the factory. You can see it's got power brakes. It looks like that power booster's new. It does have power steering. It's got the remote reservoir here. Everything on this car is looking sweet, guys. Core support up front here is looking good. Inner wheelhouses are looking good. Firewall's nicely painted. Bottom side of the hood's also painted. Chassis black, looking good. This is a beautiful machine. She will not be here long, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.